Hey YouTube, welcome back to the channel. So today we gotta install for you guys tail light. So we're gonna do the tail light today. As you can see, I already started taking off the tail lights. So these bolts right here is gonna be a 10mm. So we're gonna do the GTR taillight. Oh, got the halos right there. Got the Dremel, and I got can spray. So first thing you're gonna have to do, take out the taillight. You're gonna have two screws right here, two 10mm right here, and you don't have to take off the bumper. You don't, so don't worry. So take these out and the taillight will come out. Okay, so after taking out the taillights, you're gonna have to pull these three screws right here. 1, 2, 3. Take this off and take the bolt off and take this off. Okay guys, so when you're ready, you're gonna have to cut it like around the edge with a Dremel or something, or you could use heat on it. So you're gonna have to cut it. Okay guys, so I just cut some of it, but make sure you guys try to cut it as straight as possible. So that's where I reach right now on this side. So I'm gonna do the next side now. Okay guys, so I just took off the glass part. Make sure y'all clean up around the edges. So y'all gonna take these out. And we're gonna spray this gloss black, but we're gonna have to take these out. Okay guys, so I finished with one already. So easier resealing it with a clear seal. So we're gonna let that dry, and now I'm gonna make this one with the halo. Okay, so this halo is gonna go like right here, but you're gonna have to take it off this first. And I'm gonna use a fish line to hold it. So I'm gonna do like this. Put this through right here. Take it out through the back. Go like this. So the halo is gonna sit just like this. And the small one is gonna go like right here. So I'm gonna use the fish line and tie this and put the second one. So when I'm finished, I'll let you guys see. Okay guys, so I just put in the second halo. So that's how it's looking right now. Damn, that shit look good. And I use fish line on it. You could see it right there. So yeah, shit look good. We got the other one right there sealing, and this is the second one. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know if you guys like the taillights. Okay guys, so I just glued the last one up With this, you could use the Gorilla Glue. I use the clear one, but you could use any silicone you want. So this one is drying, this one is drying. So when I install them back, I'll just show you guys how it looks in the night. So stay tuned. Okay guys, so I put back everything. So here's the finished product. So that's how the taillights is gonna look, like this. Damn, that shit look good. Okay guys, so I just hooked it up. I run a little wire for myself because I don't have any diode dynamics like the wiring. So but this I'ma take this bulb out, but I wired it myself, and damn, that shit look good. Turn on the turn signal to the left, to the left. Here, turn on the blinker. Turn on. Yeah guys, so this shit look good. Yeah. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna show you how they look right now. Press the brake. So that's the brakes. Ease up and press it again. That's the brakes. Turn on the hazard. Four-way. Four-way. Okay guys, so that's a four-way. Turn off in now and just press one over the left. Blink up on the left. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna show you how they look right now. Press the brake. So that's the brakes. Ease up and press it again. That's the brakes. Turn on the hazard. Four-way. Four-way. Okay guys, so that's a four-way.